Hello, wonderful people. I go by the name Paul Okwe, and today I'm at ShopRite. So today we'll be driving from ShopRite to Ekulu. So you'll be seeing the new construction road that is being handled by Peter Mba that cut across GRA, OGRA, Ekulu, and NOAS. Yes. So stay tuned while we drive around, and I'll be giving you updates on real estate in Enugu. And also, if you have comments or questions you want to ask about lands, properties, or you want to acquire land and properties here in Enugu, you can call the number on the screen, or better still, leave a comment below on the comment section. Then I will follow up from there. So let's dive in. About real estate, I'll give you my honest opinion. Enugu State real estate has been growing at minimum of 20% increase at least every year, which is I would say it's very low compared to places like Lagos, where you can see up to 100% increase within a year. And the reason this is because the previous government didn't do much in helping solve the issues of lands and roads that helps develop the state. So with that being said, that made Enugu State lag behind. Yes, because if you compare 8 years ago, you cannot compare Enugu State with Port Harcourt, but right now Port Harcourt is doing way better than Enugu, which I would say it's true if you can do your research. But now this new government is with the way things are going, if he keeps doing what he's doing, probably Enugu State will grow from 20% increase to, let's say, 50% increase within 4 years, and which is a good thing, because more investors will probably come down to Enugu to invest, because we are on the mission to develop the East. So that's why you see all these videos coming up. It's not like we cannot move to Lagos and start developing Lagos, but we are Igbos, right? So our own is our own. So that's it. So very soon we'll be meeting the construction of the road where it started, and so you see how it's going so far. And another thing is that real estate in Enugu, it's a vital thing for you to invest, especially if you're in the diaspora, or if you're in Lagos, if you're in Abuja. If you have not yet invested in Enugu or Imo, depending on your state, but we know Enugu is the capital of Igbo land, precisely. When you talk about Igbos, Enugu should be the capital, and we are hoping to see the capital of Nigeria moving down to Enugu pretty soon. Hopefully, if things keep running the way it's going, we might see a change of capital, which is a new development that I know everyone is going to welcome, because it's going to bring a drastical development here in Enugu. So this is the road. As you can see, there's a walkway by the right hand side, and also there's a walkway by the left hand side. So this road used to be very bad and used to cause lots of traffic, especially in the morning and in the evening, because this is the only connecting road for now. As if you're coming from OGRA, ShopRite to Ekulu, this is the only connecting road, unless you have to go through Gulf, or probably go through what's it called again, that army side. Yes, 82 division. Those are the only roads to connect to Ekulu. But with this new road construction, and if the traffic personnel do their job, I think it's going to reduce the traffic here drastically, because this used to make so many people don't want to live in Ekulu. So many people don't want to build house in Ekulu because of this traffic. Yes, I know, because I'm in the business, right? And also when it comes to buying land in Enugu, places you should look out for is number 1, independence layout, number 2, GRA, number 3, Ekulu, number 4, Centenary. Yeah, I say Centenary because Centenary is like a new city. When you go to Centenary, you know that Centenary is just like the new Lekki of Lagos, right? So Centenary is the new Lekki of Enugu. So, and lands there are quite expensive. Like, you can compare land in Centenary to land in Ekulu, almost the same price, ranging from 30 million to 45 million, depending on the size, right? So this is the express road. Yeah, they're still working on it. I have to drive across here so you can see. They're almost done with the other lane. So this is the lot choosing by your left. I think this is the headquarter in Enugu. So road construction is still going on, and all thanks to Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the continuous work on the federal roads, right? So also, depending on the type of project you want to do in Enugu, if you want to do apartments complex, places to look out for is Tinker's Corner, where you can generate more income, right? Tinker's Corner, Centenary, Independence Layout. Ekulu is not really that expensive, because Tinker's Corner is, you can get a 2-bedroom. You can rent your 2-bedroom for as high as 1.5 million. Same as Independence Layout, same as Centenary. Those places are high in demand because Tinker's Corner has water. Independence Layouts has water issue, but not everywhere. Centenary also has water, but not everywhere. But these locations are locations that people like because it's very accessible, when it comes to accessibility, right? So if you're looking to buy land and you don't know the location to buy your land, maybe you want to build your duplex, definitely you should call the number on the screen. So let's book you for a call and get you started. So we'll be making a U-turn so you can drive on the new constructed road, so you can see how smooth it is. They're still working on it, so it serves as a service lane for now for people entering the other side of the road, right? So that's it. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.